Protan PROcycle Step 1. When installing Protan roofing membranes, all offcuts and surplus material are collected in our big bags. This is the first step in Protan PROcycle, a sustainable solution where nothing goes to waste. It all begins here, on the roof. Protan PROcycle Step 2. Once the big bag is full, we'll collect it. Our trucks transport the offcuts from the construction site or warehouse to our factory. From roof to transport, Protan PROcycle keeps resources in circulation. Protan PROcycle Step 3. At our factory, the offcuts are shredded and processed into raw materials. Every piece becomes part of something new. With Protan PROcycle, waste is transformed into valuable resources, ready for their next life. Protan PROcycle Step 4. Through Protan PROcycle, the waste is reborn as durable roofing membranes. This is circular economy in action, one membrane at a time, from roof to factory and back again.